Okay, um, you may have heard that statistics get misinterpreted all the time in society. Very true. And so part of the goal of this course is to avoid help you be able to avoid some of that misinformation. So here we have a weight loss clinic advertising that last month its patients on average lost 8 pounds. And assuming average refers to mean, arithmetic mean, this is where you add up all the values and divide by how many there are. Which of the following claims must be true based on this information? This month, some of their patients will lose at least 8 pounds. Well, probably, but we don't know that for sure because this is about last month. So this 8 pounds only gives us information about last month. We don't have any information on this month. Last month, some of their patients lost at least 8 pounds. That's true, assuming what they said is true. The average was 8 pounds. In order for the average to be 8 pounds, either everyone is exactly losing 8 pounds, in which case, they lost at least eight, or some are less, but that means some have to be more in order to balance it out as an average of eight. So by saying that the average is eight, at least someone lost 8 pounds. And when they say some in mathematics, this means at least one, so we can say that this is true. Last month, more than half of their patients lost. Now that's not necessarily true because you could have one patient who loses 100 pounds. That would be extreme, of course. And all of the rest lose 0 pounds or 1 pound, and that could average out to eight. You don't have to have, like, if one goes down to six, the other goes up to 10. It doesn't have to be symmetric like that. Average is just going to add them all up and divide by the number there are. So that's where an outlier in either direction can really pull the average towards it. So we don't know that more than half their patients lost it at eight. Last month, at least one of their patients lost more than 2 pounds. Well, yeah, that's true because if at least one of their patients lost at least 8 pounds, then that same patient lost at least 2 pounds. So that one's a pretty clear yes. And last month, at least one of their patients lost exactly eight. Not necessarily. Maybe they only had two patients. One lost seven, one lost nine. In that case, the average is eight, but no one lost exactly eight. And we've already seen a couple of these that are actually true. So some of their patients lost at least eight. Remember, in mathematics, some is at least one, and at least one lost more than 2 pounds. Both of those must be true.